Surya Samvad was all about how can a military can go with this civil fusion and how they can work together to create new innovation ideas. And according to me, that real experiences when meet with the innovation, then society flourishes. And I think these kind of initiatives need there more. What I learned from this session is that how we can come up with a small idea and how it can impact a lot of people.
Jai Hind, my name is Shrutika and I am the student of Department of Defence and Strategic Studies from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. And it's been privileged to be part of Surya Samvad and looking forward for the insightful, meaningful exchange of thoughts in this panel discussion.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Sanidhya Sharma and I am a student of Law Department, Himachal Pradesh University. Today, I am really excited to join Indian Army for the panel discussion on the theme of the macro security and civil military fusion.
And to this fireside chat on the theme Surya Samvad, Geostrategy Unplugged.
Hi, this is Radhika Sharma from Himachal Pradesh University, Department of Physics, and I'm very excited to be a part of the panel discussion with the Indian Army under the program Surya Samvad for the macro security national issues and the civil military fusion, where they're going to take our ideas and reframe them into policies maybe.
Let scientists protect our capabilities, and most important, our citizens. They should protect social trust.
What is the strategic, opportunities, or what is the strategic policies that we can make in order to make India a strategic in this Indo-Pacific Ocean?
So that's why the trying to bring all the resources to that particular areas, not as much as backup was. So we'll work on the manufacturing thing. I think it will also give us an end.
Third thing is our cyber agencies, defense agencies. They also need to be enabled with AI-enabled warfare, so that they can be more proactive instead of reacting to the situation.
India truly wants to be a global power, so it cannot afford to build that future by being economically vulnerable or by being dependent on other countries for our resources and technology. What these power of narratives are doing to geopolitics in general, and these particular examples in particular.
Narrative, a credible narrative, supported with verified facts. That is important.
Narrative is not something new in the society. Even if you look at the Indian mythology, there was an incident in Mahabharata. At that time when Lord Krishna said, Ashwatthama mara gaya.
My question is, sir, for changing anything, it requires four rules. It is bottom to top and also top to bottom. So how will we tackle this and tackle this problem as collectively or society?
Countries like China, USA, Japan, and then these policies were made.
He or she could build opt for computer science, one of the value-added courses, or as far as skill enhancement courses are concerned, skill enhancement courses are again subject specific.
वो आज का संवाद था सूर्य संवाद. Surya is the supreme source of energy.
After a very successful event of Surya Samvad with Indian Armed Forces and the students of Himachal Pradesh University, I can definitely say that we have learned about how research plays a great role in the defense forces as well as the nation building, and how we can contribute to our nation by making good narratives regarding the nation and understand how the narrative works in the geopolitics.